Hi, I'm Chef Saket from IIHM Daddy Time. Today we are going to prepare Chicken Ala Kiev. Okay, first for the Chicken Ala Kiev, first we need the chicken breast, which I have cut it into butterfly and beat it with the millet so that it gets even. Now for the marination of the chicken breast, first we will use some salt, some pepper, white pepper, and some chopped thyme. This is an optional. If you want chopped thyme, you can use it, or you can skip the thyme. Okay, for the next step, preparing this Chicken Ala Kiev, we need to prepare a compound butter. Now for the compound butter, we will use a softened butter. So we have already the soft butter with us. We will use some chopped parsley in it, some chopped garlic, and some pepper. Now for the compound butter, you need to use some white wine reduction also, but today we are not going to use any white wine reduction, so we'll just make a simple herb butter, which will be the stuffing of your chicken. So after mixing this butter with the herbs and the spices, this need to be put in a fridge to get solidified. After getting this butter solidified, we will be using this butter as a stuffing for the chicken breast. Our butter is ready. It has been chilled in the fridge for some time. At least I have kept it for 30 minutes so that it gets solidified. Now this is ready to get stuffed inside the chicken. Okay. Now for the stuffing of the chicken, we have this chicken breast already marinated. Now in this we will use this butter, solidified butter, which we have kept in the fridge for some time, and we will stuff it here in the chicken breast with nice amount of the butter. This butter will give you the flavor of the chicken. Now we'll roll it down, and after rolling it, we'll keep it in the fridge for at least 10 minutes so that the butter gets again solidified, and it will be easier to make the crumbing of the chicken. Okay, now for the crumbing, we need egg, flour, breadcrumbs. In the breadcrumbs, I have added some chopped parsley so that it will give a nice flavor, and also the texture of the fried Chicken Ala Kiev does get better. So now for the crumbing, we have to dip it in the egg. In the flour. Again in the egg. You need to coat the chicken nicely with the egg so that it gives the binding, and also the crumbing does get better. And for the crumbing, we add it in the breadcrumb. Now you have a nice coated, breadcrumb coated Chicken Ala Kiev, which is ready to get fried. Okay, now for the frying this Chicken Ala Kiev, we have the preheated oil, and we have this chicken which has already been chilled in the fridge for at least 15-20 minutes. Now it is time to get it deep fried. Slowly in the Now you can see the chicken is almost like a golden brown. Now it is cooked thoroughly, and we will take it out in a plate with a paper towel and keep it here so that the excess oil or the excess fat get absorbed in this tissue paper. Okay, now this chicken is ready. We'll cut it into smaller pieces. Now after cutting these pieces, we will plate it in our black platter. Okay, now for the plating, we have already done some sauté vegetable and some mashed potato. We have make it into a quenelle, and also we have this chicken ala Kiev, and we will plate it in this platter. And here we go, the chicken ala Kiev. This is the final dish, voila.